The Vivo X200 Pro is a flagship smartphone that continues Vivo's legacy of innovation, particularly in camera technology. This model refines its predecessor's formula with improved imaging, cutting-edge hardware, and a polished design and display. The X200 Pro features a sleek, quad-curved AMOLED display measuring 6.78 inches. With a resolution of 2800 by 1260 pixels and support for LTPO technology, the screen provides vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and dynamic refresh rates ranging from 0.1 Hz to 120 Hz. The device's peak brightness of 4500 nits ensures excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. Performance, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset, the Vivo X200 Pro delivers exceptional performance. The chip's efficiency, combined with Vivo's advanced cooling systems, ensures smooth multitasking and high-end gaming experiences without significant overheating. The phone offers configurations with up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB of internal storage, catering to power users. Camera system. The X200 Pro's standout feature is its triple camera setup co-engineered with Zeiss. Main camera, a 50MP Sony LTY-818 sensor with an f/1.57 aperture and OIS. It offers excellent dynamic range, natural colors, and sharp details, especially in low-light scenarios. Periscope telephoto, a 200MP sensor with up to 3.7x optical zoom and a macro photography mode. While it excels in detail and dynamic range, computational sharpening becomes noticeable beyond 10x zoom. Ultra-wide camera, a 50MP sensor with a 15mm focal length and f/2.0 aperture. While good, its performance is slightly overshadowed by the main and telephoto cameras due to occasional oversaturation. Battery and charging, a 5000 mAh battery powers the X200 Pro, supporting 120W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. Vivo claims the phone can reach 100% in just under 25 minutes, making it highly convenient for users on the go. Overall, the Vivo X200 Pro is an excellent flagship option. Thank you so much.